The traditional model of data governance today is typically centered on data ownership, data stewardship kinds of things, master data management, data definitions, the business entities and attributes of key business terms like customer, invoice, etc. Knowing what is authoritative data and what is not authoritative, for example. Data quality, data timeliness, data accuracy. So when you hear data governance, you hear those kinds of things are typically what are thought of in the traditional view of data governance. Big data breaks many of the traditional assumptions around data governance. The size of data and decisions around how much retention, how long do I want to store data has a tremendous impact on data governance. We haven't had to consider that before traditionally. The 4 V's, the velocity, volume, variety, and value of data changes in the context of big data. Decisions around the technology and tools, in particular, again, given the volatility and nascentness of this industry, as new tools come on, you have to have clear decision making for which tools, when, and how they're applied. Ownership is a very interesting challenge in the age of big data because sometimes the data sets we're merging together and doing big data analysis are not owned by the same people that owned them before. And a more interesting problem of big data governance is who owns the outcomes, or who owns the ahas and the insights that you generate from big data. So there's a range of challenges and issues around big data governance that break the traditional view of data governance and extend it in ways that we haven't had to consider before.